Hello students, in our previous video we have done these question answers, very short question answers we have done, and this is the chapter light. These 4 questions we have done, and of short answer questions these 4 questions we have done. And now this is the turn of ETQ. In this we have completed the first question. Now this is the turn for second question. So let us read the question first. Just look at it properly. List some characteristics of plane mirror. Means अगर किसी को हम plane mirror कहते हैं, if we say it as a plane mirror, then what characteristics should it have? Those characteristics I will mention in now. Okay, so let us start. Chapter light. Chapter light. Chapter light. So ETQ question number 2, and we have to write its answer. So I am writing the images. मैं जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स लिख रही हूँ वो मैं लिख रही हूँ किसकी? इमेजेस की लिख रही हूँ. किसकी? प्लेन मिरर की. सो इमेजेस फॉर्म्ड by a plane mirror has the following characteristics. The following characteristics. Okay, so image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. जो इमेज बनती है वो कैसी बनती है? वर्चुअल बनती है एंड इरेक्ट. वर्चुअल क्यों बनती है? बिकॉज जो इमेज बनती है वो बिहाइंड द मिरर बनती है. सो इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड बिहाइंड द मिरर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज जो इमेज होती है, जो साइज होता है इमेज का वो सेम होता है एज दैट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो साइज ऑफ इमेज इज इक्वल टू द object. Okay, now fourth point will be इमेज जो होती है वो कैसी होती है? लेटरली इन्वर्टेड इमेज. यानी कि जो राइट होता है वो लेफ्ट नजर आएगा और जो लेफ्ट होता है वो राइट. सो लेटरली inverted image. This is the fourth point. Fifth point will be जो distance होता है between the image and mirror, it is same as that of the distance of the object from the mirror. So distance of image behind the mirror is same as distance of object from the mirror. Distance of object from mirror. Okay. So I'm again reading these points. The question was, we have to write the characteristics of a plane mirror. So I have written the images formed by a plane mirror has the following characteristics. Firstly is the image is virtual and erect. Image is formed behind the mirror. Size of image is equal to the object. Images are laterally inverted images, and the distance of image behind the mirror is same as the distance of object from the mirror. Clear, everyone? So this is our second ETQ answer. Now we will read our third question. So let us see what is it. Our third question is, list some uses of convex and concave mirror. हमें uses लिखने हैं कि convex और concave mirror जो है वो कहाँ हम use करते हैं. Okay, so we will start writing it. Firstly, we will write the uses of concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay, like this we will proceed. Concave mirror is used in headlights, torches, head mirrors, solar furnaces, microscopes, telescopes as well. Okay, so I have written the uses of concave mirror. Now I will write uses of convex mirror. I'm pausing here for 1 minute so that you can write it fast. Okay, now I'm writing the uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror is used in rear view mirrors, जो व्हीकल्स के साइड में होता है. ओके, एज इट शोज, क्योंकि क्या करता है, स्मॉलर इमेजेस को बिग करके दिखाता है. एज इट शोज स्मॉलर images from a bigger field of view. from a bigger field of view. Okay. Now, second point. Second point will be convex mirror is used on hairpin bands. Convex mirror is used for hairpin bands. क्यों? To see the vehicles coming from other side of the bend. To see the vehicles coming from other side of the bend. Other side of the bend. Okay, so I have written 2 points for uses for these two, concave mirror and convex mirror. So I'm repeating it again. Concave mirror. Concave mirror is used in headlights, torches, head mirrors, solar furnaces, microscope, telescopes. Now, convex mirror. Convex mirror is used in the rear view mirrors as it shows smaller images from a bigger field of views. अगर कोई images जो हैं बहुत बड़ी हैं तो उनको वो small करके हमें show करता है. एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? फॉर द हेयर पिन बैंड्स. जो कि काम क्या करना है, उसका काम क्या है? टू सी द व्हीकल्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द अदर साइड ऑफ द बेंड. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट अस सी द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज न्यूटन्स डिस्क? व्हाई डज इट अपीयर वाइट व्हेन रोटेट? न्यूटन डिस्क क्या होती है और अगर हम उसको रोटेट करते हैं स्पीडली तो वो वाइट कलर की क्यों नज़र आती है? क्योंकि जब हम स्पीडली उसको रोटेट करते हैं तो हमें ऐसा नज़र आता है कि सारे कलर्स जो मिक्स हो गए हैं, और जब हमारे 7 कलर्स मिक्स हो जाते हैं तो कौन सी कलर बन जाता है? वाइट कलर. सो इट सीम्स लाइक अ वाइट लाइट कलर. ओके, एंड नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द आंसर ऑफ इट. सो our first question is, what is Newton's disk? This is the fourth question. First of all, I have to write it down कि Newton's disk क्या होती है. Okay. So, Newton disk is Newton's disk is a colored disk which is painted with the colors. वो कलर्स कौन से होंगे? विबग्योर. ओके. इन द करेक्ट प्रपोर्शन. इन द करेक्ट प्रपोर्शन. करेक्ट प्रपोर्शन के अंदर, ना कोई ज़्यादा ना कोई कम. सेगमेंट्स जो होंगे वो इक्वल होंगे. सो हमें लिखना है कि वो हमें वाइट क्यों नज़र आता है. सो आई एम राइटिंग इट्स आंसर. व्हेन it is rotated, when it is rotated first, the color blend to form, the color blend means mix हो जाना, the color blend to form white color, from white color. Due to persistence of vision, ये मैंने आपको समझाया था persistence of vision क्या होता है, ठीक है. So this is the answer. Again I'm repeating it. Newton's disk. Newton's disk is a colored disk which is painted with the colors Vibgyor in the correct proportion. When it is rotated fast, the color blend to form white color due to the persistence of vision. Due to the persistence of vision. Clear? So this is our all 4 questions of ETQ we have done. Again you can see it. This is the second question, third, and finally the fourth answer. Done. So the A part we have done, that is the VSAQ. B part SAQ we have done, and C part ETQ we have done. Now we will do the D part. D part, let me focus it so that it is visible to you properly. All right, so alternate response type question, true or false. These statements are 4 statements are given here. We have to find out whether this statement is true or false. Light propagates along a straight line. Yes, it is true, क्योंकि light जो है वो travel करती है straight line में. This is true. Next, transparent materials do not allow light to pass through them. Wrong. This is false. Transparent material तो allow करते हैं, opaque नहीं करते allow. So this statement is false. Okay. Now next one. A plane mirror forms a virtual image. हाँ, behind the mirror बनती है image, इसीलिए क्या है ये virtual. So this is true statement. Next question. Any highly polished surface can act as a mirror. क्या हाईली पॉलिश्ड सरफेस एक जो मिरर की तरह एक्ट कर सकता है? यस, ट्रू. बट एक साइड क्या होनी चाहिए उसकी? पॉलिश्ड होनी चाहिए, है ना? ओके, नाउ अदर क्वेश्चंस आर द MCTQ, यानी कि मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप questions. So let us read the question. The first question is, what is rectilinear propagation of light? The first part is coming back from the tree, propagation of light along a straight line, bouncing back of light from a mirror, and the last one is the partial blocking of the light by an obstacle. So the answer is propagation of light along a straight line. जब हमारी जो लाइट है वो स्ट्रेट मूव करती है, दैट इज नोन एज द रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपगेशन ऑफ लाइट. क्लियर? सो वी हैव डन ई पार्ट का फर्स्ट तक. नाउ लेट अस रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज दैट? ओके, आवर क्वेश्चन इज which of the following term is not connected with a reflection of light? Incident ray, reflected ray, principal axis, angle of incidence. Yes, the answer is principal axis. Okay, now the next question is which one of the following is not an application of a spherical mirror? Floodlights, shaving mirror, projector lamps, producing web gear. The answer is producing web gear. Which of the following is done by a prism? Reflect light, split light, form images, none of this. Splits light. Okay, now we will move further. Let us see the questions. An image of an object if light reflected from any surface, a plane mirror, any highly polished surface, a lens. Lens. Now, next question is a plane mirror produces a virtual and erect image, virtual and inverted image, real and erect image, a real and inverted image. The answer is virtual and erect image. Now, diffused reflection takes place when light is reflected from an highly polished, irregular, plane mirror and convex mirror. Answer is irregular surface. Next, virtual image can be formed on screen but cannot be seen. Cannot be formed on a screen. Cannot be formed on screen but is inverted. Can only be formed with a concave mirror. The answer is cannot be formed on a screen. Clear, students? So we have successfully completed our chapter. Now, we have completed our light chapter. Complete your notebooks. Just write all the question and answer of chapter light in fair notebook and complete it in a proper manner. Okay? And complete it in on time so that at the time of examinations you always ask for, ma'am, give me the answers of this chapter, give me the answers of this chapter. This is a wrong manner. This is not good. So complete your work on time. Clear? Thank you so much. And one thing more, just write in a clean and neat handwriting. There should be no cutting so that at the time of revising you will feel good. Okay? Thank you, beta.